Hello everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video from My Creative Scrapbook. So today I am sharing my first layout that I created with the February main kit. And this kit featured the Simple Stories Hello Today collection. And this collection is super fun to work with. The different pattern papers are organized around the different months of the year. So you can take an event that happened in a specific month and scrapbook it. So that's what I decided to do here. In December, my daughter Colette got a new dog. He's actually a puppy. He's pretty big for a puppy, so I think he's going to end up being a pretty big dog. But after losing her two dogs in 2020, she was getting pretty lonely in her apartment all by herself, so she decided that she would go through a rescue. She went through the Mile High Canine Rescue in Denver, and she adopted this big guy, and his name is Teddy. I'm so glad that she has a dog that she can spend time with and take hiking. She loves to hike in the mountains there. She really needed another companion. For this layout, I decided I would take the December paper and cut it apart. Now, one side is pattern paper. It's that red floral pattern paper I have underneath my photo. And the other side is it's a combination of 4x6 journal cards and 3x4 journal cards. So I cut them apart and I thought I would just layer a bunch of things on here and create my layout. I wasn't too crazy about having a white background on here, so I opted to do a craft cardstock background instead. I kind of like how the colors pop on here. Since there's some white in the pattern paper there, I didn't want that floral pattern to get lost if I did a white background. The kit comes with the Simple Stories Hello Today foam phrase stickers, and I knew I wanted to use this hello for my title. So I put this on here underneath my photo and between that December 4x6 journal card that I have going up along the side. The kit also comes with the Hello Today die cut ephemera pieces, the chipboard stickers, and the sticker sheet. So there is no end to the embellishments that were included to this kit. There are so many options. You see me here putting on some of the chipboard stickers that have little phrases on them. I found a chipboard butterfly that I could stick up here along the side, and a little camera, which is appropriate. This daughter of mine loves taking selfies of herself, which I love because since she's in Colorado and I'm in Minnesota, I love seeing her post selfies of herself. Underneath the title, then, I wanted to journal and tell the story of how she came to adopt Teddy. So it's kind of like a welcome to the family, Teddy. I can't wait to meet Teddy and see my daughter again, too. Well, I was flipping through some of the other die cut ephemera pieces trying to decide what else I wanted to put on this layout. There are some chipboard hearts that I put down here by my journaling. They are really cute, and I thought I needed something to go along the bottom of my layout. I grounded my layout by adding this strip of striped paper on here. Just thought I should go through and see what else I might possibly want to tuck in. So I'm just pulling out some of the things that I thought would be appropriate. You can see as I'm flipping through here that there are lots of versatile options for embellishing a layout. I found a little rainbow here that I want to tuck in by my camera. After the rain comes the rainbow, and it's kind of appropriate after her bad year and losing two dogs. There's some rainbows. She's got a new dog now that she can give all her love to. I found this Yes, Yes, Yes circle die cut ephemera piece, and I really thought this was appropriate because I already have two circle phrase chipboard stickers on here. Makes sense to put a third one on here and create a triangle that would lead your eye through my layout. You see three then clusters of embellishments, one at the top by the December and one next to the hello, and then another at the bottom of my layout. And there you have it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all of the kits from My Creative Scrapbook. They are beautiful. Bye bye now.